I mean, as long as I'm dressing up, don't spill the bowl.
Oh, you better not spit the pool. It was smells like burnt.
Go.
Sound what? My grandma's dog, right? I had her yesterday and her whole booty was in my face.
Oh, no. Don't talk like that.
My teacher was going to eat peanut butter with his pancakes for the first time.
Wait, don't record my reaction.
Please, last time you were singing, I did not record it. Today, I'm gonna record it.
Wasn't it a beautiful song, too?
It was.
Thank you.
Beautiful rap.
I want to see you have it.
Yes, you're
I
making
do
rap.
sing all
He
the
actually
I love
raps.
singing.
That was really surprising.
I definitely did an original rap, and not one from the 1990s, man, known as Vanilla Ice.
Wow.
Not...
In my opinion, it was not good for him.
Were you born then?
I was born in 96.
Exactly. We are waiting for your reaction. Today, I'm not gonna miss any detail. No detail will be missing.
Chocolate chips on this bad boy.
You're gonna have a stomach pain.
When you're done.
I got you, Mr.
When you're
Leclerc.
done. Thank you. Perfect.
You are so welcome.
Let's try it.
I will be recording that forever.
All right. Let's
Ow.
see. It's very good. Very good.
Yes, we should.
From his expression, I did not really believe him.
It is very good. Delicious. Delicious.
You like peanut butter?
I'm rating this 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Hello, Guy Today, word of the summer. Teachers decided to make pancakes for us. I was tasting because I am not used to that type of food.
Because I was supposed to do this for my
This is good, actually.
and then
Yeah.
Now you're stuck, and you were stuck with a big... Used up that whole box.
I am going to rate it a 7/10 because it is not the types of food that I like to eat. I had so much cream on it because I love whipped cream. Thank you for watching. If you want part 2, bye guys.